Okay, well, I want to do your famous four-door Corvette.
Okay.
And then we've also got Hemmings Sold Cars Roundup, and I've also got recalls. Lots of recalls.
Okay. Well, you want to start with the Corvette?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, well, here we go.
All right.
This is a super rare Corvette, according to what they tell me. It's a long four-door C3. No, this isn't it. This is it. It is a C3 Corvette. It popped up for sale. Now, the four-door 1980 Corvette was commissioned by GM and is one of only 6 produced known to still exist. It's hard to fathom, but there was a time when GM was considering building these four-door Corvettes. These days, we're constantly hit with rumors about Corvette sedan and perhaps a Corvette SUV. Did you want to say something on that?
Nope.
Okay. None of which actually made it to production. Well, kind of, sort of. The elongated C3 is, in fact, real, and GM didn't technically build it. They commissioned it from a company called California Custom Coach in Pasadena, California.
That's
Pasadena. A grand total of 6 of these vehicles were produced as part of an exercise to test the market and gauge interest in a family-friendly Corvette. And today, only 2 of the original cars are known to exist. The one you're seeing here is currently up for sale at a tidy sum of over $102,562.
I'll pass.
The car is completely original, right down to its number-matching drivetrain. It only has 20,000 miles on it, Mike, so if you're looking for something for the grandchildren, there to go. That's it. Apparently, it was going to be called the Corvette America, but the automaker knew it was a niche product and didn't really go over too well. They planned to build 40 of them per year. 1 prototype and 5 cars were produced, constructed from 2 Corvettes each. After slicing them in half and putting them back together, resulting in a wheelbase was 30 inches longer than a regular C3. It wasn't just the low interest that killed the Corvette America. It was the limo look, super cab-sized length, and the car's exorbitant cost. So while the C3 back in '80 went for about $13,000, this four-door was set to go for $35,000 back in '80. So
hit the no button on that.
Nobody wanted it. I like it. I would drive it. This car's been around the block a few times. According to Barn Finds, which is a site you can go to, the four-door Corvette first popped up back in 2017 with an insane price tag of $275,000. Then it resurfaced in 2019 on Craigslist for about $119,000. So will it sell for the 102? Who knows?
Oh, probably. Some rich guy will buy it.
Just because it's that unique.
Yep. But, I saw it. I liked it. I would drive it. I'd
drive it. I can't imagine driving a Corvette with that long of a wheelbase.
Well,
and I also, the B-pillar on that car is so thick. Yeah. How would you see around that?
Well, you'd have people in the back telling you where to go.
I guess.
But I like the body style of the 80. Anyway. I really like that.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, I always like that body style of Corvette.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right.